Alright kids, we are at Indian Rocks Beach today. Oh. I got sandwiches. I got peanut butter and jellies with banana on them. There's a goldfish. Keep off the dunes! Keep off the dunes! I should probably take off my socks before, my shoes and socks before I do this. Every time I come to this beach and I put my socks in my shoes, like stuffed down into my shoe, and every time I come here, when I come back off the beach, a sock is gone. Every time. I don't know what's happening to my socks. Maybe the seagulls take them, I don't know. Let's get into the water. Now the real question is, where do I go? I like this beach because it's way more quieter than Clearwater Beach, which is that way. But on a weekday especially, where should I go? It's bright and I can't see anything, so. Oh, and the sand's a little hot. It's a little hot. Everybody's already like perfectly spaced out. Oh, I'm walking on shells. Oh my god, this hurts. Okay, hold on. Ah! Get to the sand. Oh my god, I'm on shells. Okay. Okay, this hurts. It's fine. Everything's fine. See, I'm fucking walking on shells right now. I need, ow! Okay. Okay. Also, something I love about this beach is that, well, just now in general, the water is actually warm now. So it feels so nice being on like a warm beach with warm water. It's like slightly cold, you know, but like not. It's fucking great. Usually the rest of the year it's freezing cold. Like a few months ago when I was coming here, it was freezing. But I still went in because it was hot enough, but like, you know. I like to not freeze my nipples off. That's nice. Also, I didn't bring a towel today, so that's not very smart. Let's find a little spot. I was in pain all day, all yesterday. My like it feels like my left ovary was in pain. So it fucking hurt to do anything. And I was just laying in bed since I got off work yesterday till this morning, because I'm in pain. And I think it's because she's pushing on me. And then she keeps moving and like kicking where it hurts, so it hurts even more. So, and my right hip has like had to pop for like 2 days and it still hurts because it hasn't popped yet. Should I sit here? I'll sit here. Okay, this angle is probably weird, but I don't have anything to put you on. And hopefully you can hear me past the ocean. I'm going to eat one of my sandwiches because I am nauseous and I feel like I need to eat. The goal is not to get sand on myself. Or in my food, I mean. Bon appetit. Merci beaucoup. right here. Alright kids, this is all I got left. I'm gonna throw these and this is it, bro. Alright? Alright? Oh, that's it. That's it. I know you guys only want to be my friend for food. Hey! Stop yelling. Oh god. I've created chaos. Can I help you? There's no more food, bro. It's gone. Sorry. Well, there's peanut butter and jelly, but that's for me for later. Alright, a baby bump. I'm ready to go in the, I almost said go in the pool. The ocean.
Now